Hi, Liz here at Groovy Plants Ranch, and I'm here to talk to you about air plants. Air plants are a really cool group of plants called Tillandsia. They naturally grow in the rainforest and the understory of the tree. So they grow on trees in the crotches where leaf litter collects, or on the sides of a tree where they have really craggy bark. They grow aerial roots from this underside of their crown that really grabs onto the tree, and then they just kind of hang out in clumps on that tree and naturally will grow in that environment. These are really cool plants for the home as well because they're easy to take care of. All they need is a bright place to live, and you need to be giving them water. So the light part's really easy. Air plants like bright light, but not direct light. So pick a window that gets bright sun, but not hot sun, or up to 6 feet away from a bright window. If your air plant has white silvery leaves, you can handle a little bit more sun than an air plant that has fine leaves or green ones. The white actually acts as sort of like a suntan for that plant, protecting its tender skin underneath. The next thing you need to do with your air plants is give them water. At Groovy Plants Ranch, we recommend putting your plants submerged in water. So I have a bowl of water here. They like distilled water, but if you don't want to buy distilled water, you can also use tap water that you've let sit for 24 hours. That helps the fluoride and chlorine dissipate from the water, making it safe for your plants. Air plants take up moisture through their delicate leaves. They don't actually use their roots to take up any water. So when you're watering them, you want to put them into your water like this and let them sit for 5 minutes. I have some air plants in here that have already been sitting. Once you take them out, you want to shake them off, and then you can place them back wherever you had it, and it'll be good for about a week. Air plants have this really amazing thing that they do, and they have actually modified cells on the outside of their leaves that when they're dry, open up to collect moisture from the air, and when they're wet, flatten out to hold that moisture in for as long as possible. And they change colors when they do that. So this one's wet and it's very green. This is the same exact plant, but look at how white it is. So this one will slowly dry to looking like this again. I have another one in here called a Tectorum. This one, also very green looking, and this is also a Tectorum. Look at that color difference. So this one's wet and it will dry and start to look like this one. And there you have it. That's all you need. A bright window or a bright place to keep them, and to make sure you're submerging them in water once a week. Thanks for watching and have a great day.